Hello everyone, my name is Jorge. I'm from Byrider, Madison. I'm making a quick little video of some vehicles that I get to show you. I heard that this month is National Picnic Month, which is a great month right now because it is very warm outside. It is very nice, clear skies, maybe a little bit some clouds here and there, but today is the best day to do a picnic. So I have some vehicles to show you in which I think would be great for those that are saying to maybe camp out, maybe go with family, friends, maybe somebody that you like, you know. So the first vehicle that I get to show you is this Kia Sedona right here. It's got a lot of ample room in which I think would be really nice. As you can see, it is very spacious. There's a lot of room in which you can say put down the seats, make let's see, an inflatable bed, lay around, all that nice stuff. And it is a very nice vehicle. It is very quite modern even for its age. The other vehicle that I get to show you, it is this right here. It is this amazing and beautiful Ford Explorer. It is this Explorer right here. It is a very nice Explorer, as you can see right here. From the features that I think would personally make it great for somebody that is, say, going on a picnic, it is this right here, the sunroof. I can open it up. It is this sunroof right here. It is very nice. Not only is it one, but it is two right here. Somebody can, say, lay down into the Explorer, lay their seat down, be comfortable and all that stuff, and it is a very nice vehicle. So those are the vehicles that I get to show you right now. So if you're, say, you're looking for a vehicle, have a hard time getting one due to not be able to get finance anywhere else, I am the person to help you. 608-663-1213, Jorge with Byrider. See you soon.